NTRCA is proud to present Golden Hammer Awards for Outstanding Community Service Roofing Projects to the following 3 companies: Outback Roofing, KPost Roofing and Waterproofing, and PROCO Roofing and Construction. Outback Roofing won in the Community Service category for its U.S. Navy Veteran Home Project. Through the Owens Corning Roof Deployment Project, Outback Roofing donated a roof to Mr. McClendon, a U.S. Navy veteran. He is wheelchair-bound and a double amputee, making it difficult to keep up with roof maintenance. Outback Roofing thanks the following companies who were instrumental in making this community service project possible: Owens Corning, ABC Supply, American Dream Rain Gutters, and Habitat for Humanity. KPost Roofing and Waterproofing won in the Community Service category for its Collins Residence Project. In February of 2020, the IRE, in conjunction with Rebuilding Together, hosted the 11th Annual Community Service Day. As part of that effort, KPost Roofing and Waterproofing and CertainTeed donated labor and materials to install a beautiful new roof on the home of Mr. and Mrs. Collins. KPost thanks CertainTeed and Rebuilding Together North Texas for helping make this community service project possible. PROCO Roofing and Construction won in the Community Service category for its John T. White project. When a family in dire need of a new roof was facing a spouse with a serious illness, plus the unexpected death of their son, PROCO Roofing and Construction stepped in to replace their roof in July of 2020. PROCO is thankful for the generosity of ABC Supply and Atlas Roofing Supply, who donated materials for this community service project. Congratulations to our Community Service Golden Hammer winners.